Geometry classifies points, lines, planes, and space as undefined terms because it is easier to understand what they are from a description of their properties than to attempt to give them a precise definition. Take a moment to close your eyes and imagine the smallest particle you can, smaller than the tip of a pencil, smaller than the tip of a safety pin, smaller than that atom floating around in the air, so small that you can't see it, but it holds a location. It is in a unique location, meaning it is the only thing that can occupy that spot. This imagined object is called a point. A point has no thickness, length, or width. It has no measure in any direction and is considered to be zero-dimensional. A point is represented by a dot and labeled with a capital letter. When two or more points sit next to each other, they begin to form a line. A line has no thickness or width. It does have length, but the length extends infinitely in both directions. So its measure is infinite. Since a line has length, it's considered to be one-dimensional. A line is represented by, well, a line with arrows on both ends and is labeled by any 2 points on the line. A plane has length and width, but no thickness or height. It is like a flat surface that extends infinitely in all directions along its length and width. Since a plane has length and width, it's considered two-dimensional. However, just like a point, it is considered to be an undefined term in geometry. A plane is represented by a four-sided figure drawn in perspective and labeled by a cursive capital letter. So we would say plane P. Geometric space is the infinite set of all points in all directions. Geometric solid figures are displayed in space. Space has length, width, and height. This is why it is considered three-dimensional.